In this video, you learn how to earn free PayPal money just from your phone. Yeah, it's just from your phone. You don't even need that. You don't need a computer. So you can throw your computer away. Some people are literally making 30, 40, 50 bucks every 5 minutes. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. And I make these no BS tutorials with me and my team. I currently have 2 video editors and we try to upload over 2 videos every single day for your value. It's dark outside and I'm still making videos for you guys and girls. So subscribe if you're new and like this video for the YouTube algorithm and my effort. And you know what? I'll shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment something cool down below, something funny, or your TikTok username, Instagram username, YouTube account down below. I'll take it, I'll put it in the shout out jar and shout you out in one of the next videos, just like this. Okay, so the first app is actually called Actionable, and you can withdraw with it on PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. So while the cryptocurrency price is going up, you can actually capitalize with that. So you can take part in surveys, some take very little time, and you can earn money. You can also make money if you invite your friends. And when I go on the app, it currently looks like this. So they're telling me I can make 11 euro cents or 12 cents or so dollar cents within 1 minute, which means I can make 0.12 dollar cents multiplied by 60 minutes, $7 an hour, which is pretty good for most countries just from your phone sitting in your bed. But there's even 2 better ways that I wanted to tell you in this video, and they're basically you getting paid with your phone around you for just walking. There's 2 apps that can help you do that. The first one is Cash for Steps, and it has 66 reviews in the App Store. You can download it on your Android device as well, and it just tracks your steps, so it actually encourages you to be more active, which is very important if we gotta be honest during this pandemic. You can get daily bonuses for just checking in. There's some contests if you want to compete with people to walk and make money at the same time, and then you can get PayPal money or an Amazon gift card. Another app is actually Sweatcoin, and you can become more active and fit while making money. There's a marketplace where you can get PayPal cash, some items, really cool shoes, stuff like that to actually invest in your walking activities. And you can also invite your friend. Which brings us to this app, Make Money. It's actually one of the easiest apps to make money online. You give it and you're basically getting paid PayPal money to just answer questions. You take surveys. So earn money real easily, and it is real easily. You download some apps, you gotta get some levels. You can even get paid to just play games. In exchange, you get PayPal money and you get a sign-up bonus from what I remember, so you can definitely check it out. Another app is actually a new one, so you gotta check the feedback, and it's earn real money with surveys. You can get paid with PayPal as well, but I would actually encourage you to check the reviews and wait a little bit more until you're sure. A similar app is actually Cash Camel. You get surveys for cash. There's new surveys, they take 2-5 minutes and then can earn you $1. As you can see, someone earned 95 cents for one survey, and you can also withdraw by PayPal. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe, and remember that the video day keeps the doctor away, and this is no financial or medical advice. Results can absolutely vary. You can even make $0 from it. By the end of this video, make sure you check this video or this video. This video can probably make you some money. See you next one. Bye.